Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, so we're into August. Daily chart here. You can see the 9-day starting to rise up to meet price. Friday, it held price in. They did a low 43.70.75, which they then bounced. You did a higher high. The current Globex high is 44.19.75, so they challenged these highs. Hourly chart, your new weekly pivot 43.94.75, and you can see, the move down Thursday from the highs there, the afternoon drop that continued into Globex. They built a little bit of it back up, but they opened it last night. Sorry for the little bounce here in the chart. It's been doing that lately. And I'm trying to rectify that. It's a think or swim issue. So they open it Sunday night. They print the low right at weekly pivot. They kind of walk it up a bit to that 19 area. You can see the hourly mid-band here trying to be support. Where we end up on either side of, call it 44.12, 44.04. If you're the bulls, you really, after this bounce, you really have to seal off 4,400. You need to seal off 4,400. You need to live the week above weekly pivot, above the roundy, and try to take out that 44.22 half. If you're the bears, you really need to get yourselves back below 4,400. And this time, if you're going to go through the trouble of coming in and dealing with the 9-day, the weekly, and the pre-FOMC price down there at 43.86.75, you need to convert that and start to progress price back down towards here. This green line is your 20-day simple moving average or your middle Bollinger Band on the daily chart, however you want to look at it. The bears have to start living down here if they're going to get anything out of this week as far as consistent downward price action. Here's a 5-minute chart. So you can see, last night opens up weekly pivot. As we zoom in a little bit here, you got volume weighted average price coming in about 44.10, 44.11. Proprietary moving average right in the same area. So right here on a lift off the open, you want to see how this reacts. Price on a Monday morning could very typically get jammed up between 44.07 and call it 44.11 or 44.12. If you do that, watch the over trading. It needs to make a decision in this chunk of price. The big drop couldn't convert this hourly mid. They tried it again. They based it for a little bit here the last 20-25 minutes, but it's not converting down here. So hourly mid-band is support until it's not. You can see a test of VWAP here and here. This line, the yellow line, is resistance until it's not. And that potentially sets up, a battle between these two areas into the open. All right, that's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Just FYI, last few days from today through Wednesday, I'll be out of the office, but I'll be doing I'll be doing the video every morning. So if the sound's a little off, it's because I'm on my laptop. But a couple days at the beach before we get the kids back to school, and we call it a summer. So everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade well, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.